Recitation of self-composed poem by Professor Dr. Makhdoom Mashrafi. The poem, Hail Man, Not Individual. O man, hail man and not individual. Hail the essence of humanity, where he is best and is most perfect, where he is more perfect than nature itself, why he is capable of editing nature and correct it, where he is capable of curing the diseases and inadequacies of coordination of nature. Oh man, don't trust the person in man. Trust in his social essence, where he is spread out in the largest togetherness with other men, where differences are feeble and grace is great, where life is out and out a matter of aesthetics and not merely a matter of debates, material or immaterial. Oh man, there won't be pauses anymore and melancholy overwhelming zigzags and crippling of togetherness in terms of polarizations of groups of men. If essence of men is hailed and adored and given appreciation. Remember, men are powerful. The conflicts are violent and annihilating at the end. Handle them in terms of togetherness and not in terms of conflicts or polarizations. For conflicts are multiple furtherance of his destructive potential, which once ignited go beyond the managerial control and assumes devil's horror. Individual man is vulnerable to the vagaries of passion, emotion, whim, fallacy of jealousy, insatiable acquisitive thirst, and perilous overambition. All these lead him to be political, for politics is a lone device to respond to those and attain those ends. For politics ensures a penetrating divide in the social self and arrests the operation of the essence of humanity to paralyze its potential for attaining the good that is nature's and nature's fundamentals. Politics can grip an individual and an individual can grip politics. And their mutual togetherness bring catastrophe to all on some day in some way. Trauma of the drama of politics invades the social self time and again. A repetition of turmoil in new dawns and new midnights, both in dreams and reality. Politics pacified and nullified can create value architecture which directly corresponds to the essence of humanity and ensure the flow of a serene river that rejuvenates the banks to fertilize greens on end with no flood possibilities or overflows for tragedies mankind don't adore. But then, alas, no intellectual or expert points to the fact and constantly suffer from crystals of conventions that go counter to the good of men. The grandeur of conferences and seminars in Davos, in World Economic Forum, in the UN dazzles in gorgeousness and ends in futility. They remain in shades with blurred vision and remain incapable of innovating any formula that points to new grammar that go with the pace and mysteries of technology and reason and the new tides and